Welcome! Let's jump right into the 4-step Architectural Design Survival Guide, taking your ideas straight to reality.
Trainee Jaden totally thought architecture was just sketching fancy houses and, drinking tons of coffee.
But senior designer Aisha hit him with a reality check. Coffee is for Fridays only. The rest is process.
So to turn a blank SketchUp screen into a real building, we got to follow these 4 crucial steps.
Step 1 is research, or as Jaden likes to call it, legally and professionally spying on buildings.
Seriously, before drawing a single line, you have to study specific UK elements like roof styles and layouts.
Why? Because as Aisha says, solid research absolutely prevents wild architectural disasters later, like floating windows.
Right, on to step 2. Now, we translate all those specific UK styles into a highly realistic floor plan.
You really got to temper that wild imagination. Leave the shark tanks to supervillains. Family homes need absolute practicality.
The main goal here? Planning exactly how real rooms logically connect so we avoid total creative disasters.
Trust me, without careful planning, you might actually end up putting a bathroom right inside a kitchen.
Once that first model is built, step 3 kicks in: iterative improvement. Basically, fixing your mistakes.
So, if your initial roof looks exactly like a melted pizza slice, as Jaden asked, don't panic.
That's literally why version 2 exists. We review the model, get some feedback, and fix that pizza roof.
Finally, step 4, the big evaluation. It's time to look back and honestly review the whole design journey.
We figure out what went well, what definitely needs improving, and what we actually learned for next time.
Like Jaden, hopefully you learn the hard way how not to accidentally delete your entire house model.
Aisha's ultimate golden rule for surviving SketchUp modeling? It's simple, guys. Save your work regularly.
So, is your research actually strong enough to prevent building a bathroom in your kitchen next time?